Hello guys, this is Channel Creative Cat, and on the start of this video I'm just gonna introduce you one channel called Marsha Luco and Co. It is very interesting channel. It does toy reviews and visiting different places. It is very supportful, so if you would like, please visit her and subscribe. So guys, in this video we have a new members of all the videos gonna be with them too. Not only with Ricky and Tiki, with ringnecks. Plus, I got for my birthday two incredible budgies that are very nice and playful. They love to sing, and their names are Snow and Sky. The Sky is the blue budgie, which is a female, and the white budgie is Snow. It's a male, and they both are amazing pets. At first day, they were a bit like playful with my two ringnecks, but for now, no. Oh, and this is their food and that they eat. They like to eat like the thing that hung. Plus, they like to eat the sweet corn that you saw hanging there. This is the white budgie. He always knows how to come out, but with the female budgie, Sky, she doesn't know how to come out. So, and this is Ricky. He's a bit aggressive to them both. I don't know why, but still he is. So we try not to place them both on one perch or do anything both, so they didn't have any conflict between each other. So Ricky didn't kill anyone. But Tiki is a bit nice to them, even if they bite her, but still we're trying to. So I'm just going to tell you how I'm looking after them. Like, it's a bit similar to what I'm doing to both of my ringneck parrots, but so I'm cleaning their cage always. I'm trying to clean their toys when they poop on them. Cleaning water and food, cleaning water. And food is the important thing that I always need to do. And trying to let them out and make sure and get them some exercise, giving some fruit, giving some veggies that they really good, that they like to eat. Here they both had some flying time exercise, and they're sitting now on the top of the wardrobe door. I'm a son, so I'm letting them out too, not just in the videos, but at home. In the living room, I put some nature noises or budgie noises, and they really like to sing with it and fly around to try to find it. And we're trying to make everything safe for them and very nice. This is roses, and this is my orchids. My parrots, I really like them, especially to bite and a bit to rip. And this is Tiki. This is Tiki, my yellow ringneck parrot, and she's a female. She's 2 years old. When we just bought her, she was very aggressive to everything. She was a bit scared, but now she's having fun time with us and having fun time with Ricky. And Ricky is a tamed boy. We think that is a boy. And so Tiki, we're taming her, and she's very good. She's neat. She sits on my hand a bit, and so everything is okay. Usually Tiki is very aggressive to Ricky, and I thought she's gonna be aggressive to budgies too. But really, even if they pull her tail sometimes or bite her feet, she doesn't care. She just tries to scare them away, or like to just like to scream at them. But no, but Ricky, he tries to bite them and pull their tails, and so I'm trying not to pull them both close to each other. Can you see him? He's down there. He tries to go next to them. So just watch how crazy he is. Ah! So I'm taking him away when he does that. I'm trying not to make any harm to budgies because they're new, and so I don't want anything to happen to them. I like plus budgies are half tamed. They're not really scared of hand, but still, I'm gonna tame them, and if I'm gonna tame them, I'm gonna tell you how to, and I'm just gonna tell you what I did to tame them. Budgies are in love with millet seed sprays. It's like a weird type of dried grass, and they really like it. Try not to give them too much, as it's bad they're going to start getting too fat. You can buy them in any shops. You can sometimes you buy, but really good. Usually you need to buy from a pet stores, so they were good quality, and so everything was fine with your birdie. If anyone thinks why does my budgies doesn't have any toys, it just even ringlegs doesn't have it because they ruined out their toys. They start breaking them, and I thought I'm gonna put them to the bin because they can't play with them anymore. And from AliExpress, it's an online shop. I bought for them toys. So maybe in week time or two, or maybe in few days they're going to come, and I'm going to do a review about the toys, and I hope you will enjoy that too. I really like when budgies look after themselves. Like for example, they both are chipping to themselves and playing. But my ringnecks are not that playful. They usually fight with each other rather than doing like playing. But still, I really like watching them how they do that. Can you see this is Tiki and Ricky's in the cage for being naughty? But still, he wanted to bite his feet, the budgie feet, and the budgie flew away. And Tiki, she's really fine with them sitting closer to them, or running, or like even biting at her toes. So I just want to tell you that really nice budgies. I really like them so much. And I'm just gonna say one thing. Havana is my best friend. If you saw this video, I'm just saying to you hi from me, from my budgies, and from my Rika and Tiki. And thank you everyone for watching. Put like, subscribe to my channel, and enjoy watching all my videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you soon.